Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Madam, and I'm coming back to you once again. This time I'm going to go over to AllHipHop.com, and I just want to warn you guys, this is a trigger warning. It will be talks of self-harm in there, so, just a heads up on that, okay? As always, there's a wealth of knowledge out here that people have free access to that can help. So if you or someone you know is experiencing these troubling times and thoughts, there's a wealth of information and resources out there available to the general public. So please use them if you need them. It says Diddy is facing new legal action by Songwriter driven to self-harm thoughts. Hip-hop mogul Sean Diddy Combs is about to be sued by another who claims he ruined her career. Veteran songwriter Tiffany Reid is reportedly preparing to file a lawsuit against Sean Diddy Combs, which adds up to a series of legal problems the mogul is fighting. Reid openly discussed her plans to sue Sean Diddy Combs during a IG Live where she was visibly distressed and outlined the reasons behind her decision. Tiffany Reid, known within the industry for her songwriting talents and close association with Cassie, has decided to confront the issue head-on by taking legal steps against Combs. The lawsuit centers around accusations that paint a troubling picture of an environment surrounding Combs, characterized by alleged manipulation and coercion. I am suing Sean Combs. I am suing Interscope Records. I am suing Bad Boy Entertainment. I am suing Epic Records, and I don't know who else for torturous interference for all of the work that I have done that has been expletive because of all of this expletive. My work was expletive, it was derailed. I spent years working with Cassie. The music is incredible. It's all expletive now. It's got all this nastiness all over it, she says. I will link the video in the description and also her IG in the description as well if you want to go check that out. But Reid revealed she has quit the songwriting and has since thought about self-harm over the entire ordeal. This expletive made me want to unalive myself. I'm fighting self-harm ideations as we speak because this is no way to live. This is no way to live. I just want to do records. I just want to write songs. I did not sign up for this expletive, she said. Tiffany Reid already has at least one supporter, Diddy's former bodyguard, Gene Deal. During the interview with The Art of Dialogue, Gene Deal expressed profound concern for Reid's emotional state amidst the legal battle. He detailed Reid's visible distress and fear over the potential repercussions of standing up against Combs. The hurt that I seen in her voice, in her crying, man, she's worrying about the dude could do to her and what he has done to her, Deal stated, underscoring the personal toll the situation has taken on Reid. Deal offered a message of support to Reid, emphasizing the importance of facing such challenges with courage and not fearing retaliation. Deal, who has been calling Diddy out in his alleged odd encounters, amongst other things, for years shared his readiness to stand with Reid. Tiffany Reid also touched on her emotional state in a follow-up post on her Instagram account where she denied she would unalive herself despite having, as she labeled, self-harm ideations. And here is that post right here. You can definitely always go over and check that out. And like I said, I will link it in the description. For clarity, for those who are concerned after watching my IG live, my having self-harm ideations does not mean I want to take my life. I very much want to live my life to the fullest, Tiffany Reid said. She continued, I worked my butt off in therapy every Monday and have loads of love around me. I'm good, I promise. I fight for the freedom to express myself fully. It was anger and tears today. I understand that the emotion I was feeling today are not permanent. The emotions she felt today was not permanent. I am not my feelings. I experience them and find a lot of healing in expressing them and not holding them in. I love my life. I hate how the music industry has impacted it, and I am ready. I am fighting for my justice. Love y'all. Diddy has been sued by his ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura and 3 other women who claim SA and physical abuse. Ventura's lawsuit, which accused Diddy of R and physical assault, was settled out of court less than 24 hours after being filed. Following Ventura's lawsuit, 3 other women and 1 man named Rodney Little Rod Jones came forward with similar claims of SA. The allegations have had significant repercussions on Diddy's professional relationship and ventures. He stepped down as chairman of his company Revolt, and his involvement in the Capitol Preparatory Harlem Charter School ended. Additionally, there has been cancellations of events, promoting his brand and distancing from companies and professionals. In response to the mounting lawsuits, Diddy has hired legal representation to address the SA lawsuits filed against him. He maintains his innocence and has publicly stated his intentions to fight against the allegations, emphasizing that the claims made against him are untrue. And that is the end of the article right there. Man, just a whole lot of years, decades of a whole lot of, like, I mean, it just gives, pause to the situation. I mean, who are we to know? We're just the public. We don't know what goes on in people's private lives. We can only speculate. Those who have a seat at the table to find out. Sometimes in some of the claims that's been alleged against Combs, it's better not to know. Okay, and I say that not to take away or decrease from anyone that is standing up to take legal action against Combs. They very much have that right, and their eyes is very much valid. But as we all know, it'll be settled in a court of law, and all parties are innocent until such decisions are made. Okay, by higher authority. So, I mean, strap on for the roller coaster. That's my feelings about it. It's really sad to bring a person or know that a person can go through so much turmoil and pain. I'm just saying based off of the allegations. I'm not saying that they're true. Some have been substantiated, some have been settled quickly. So, it is what it is. We won't know the full scope until it comes out, if it ever comes out. It may be closed doors. Who knows? We haven't gotten that far yet, but it's definitely going to be a surviving Diddy either way. Um, you know, just to think about it in the whole, it's like, what if R. Kelly, hypothetically speaking, not speaking to anyone's guilt or innocence or anything like that, but hypothetically speaking, what if it was surviving R. Kelly on a magnitude that we have not even grasped yet? Abuse is wrong, whether it's a consenting adult or not. They also have resources for that as well, just in case anyone needs to know. But let me know what you guys think. It's really heartbreaking when you think about all the people that claimed or accused to have been affected, and what they have to go through. You know, those who know, that have knowledge of it, know. And if it is some truth to any of the claims, I hope that they get the justice and the support that they need before, during, and after. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Come chop it up with me. I love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, you guys, as always. I appreciate you. And I'll get with you in the next one.